10 health benefits of kefir you need to know. You're bound to have seen kefir in various diet plans all around the internet. It's a dairy product rich in calcium and probiotic bacteria. It's not exactly yogurt, with a thinner consistency and sour taste giving it distinction. However, kefir is still quite a healthy treat, and here is why. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on 10 health benefits of kefir you need to know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Powerful probiotic properties. Kefir is usually made from goat's milk or cow's milk. Its long fermentation process is responsible for the distinct flavor and consistency. While it may be as thick or sweet as yogurt, its probiotic consistency is greater than its more popular cousin. Probiotics enhance the activity of good bacteria inside the body, improving various bodily functions such as digestion. There is significant scientific evidence to show that kefir is far more adept at promoting good bacterial activity than yeast. In fact, around 61 different strains of bacteria and yeast are found inside kefir. Hence, this dairy product is a rich source for probiotics, improving your bodily functions through the good bacteria. Low in lactose. One of the most impressive aspects of kefir is the fact that it is low in lactose. Unlike various other dairy products, including various varieties of yogurt, kefir is naturally low in lactose. This makes it easier for lactose-intolerant individuals to eat it without having to worry about their body reacting to it. The longer fermentation that leads to kefir production allows more lactose acid to be broken down. Furthermore, the bacterial agents promoting the production contain various enzymes that break down lactose as well. The longer fermentation in kefir's case decreases the lactose content more than yogurt, making it accessible for lactose-intolerant individuals. Improves bone health. Having healthy and strong bones is something that you can't take lightly. This is especially true for women, as they can suffer from osteoporosis due to weak bones. Calcium is your best friend in such a case, and kefir is rich in that mineral. Low-fat kefir helps you make up 10% of your daily required intake. However, kefir's support for your bones isn't just limited to calcium. This dairy product comes packed full of vitamin K2 as well. The nutrient is responsible for calcium metabolism, with a greater intake, meaning your body gets to absorb more calcium. According to studies, enhanced intake of vitamin K2 can reduce the risk of sustaining fractures by more than 80%. Rich in various nutrients and minerals. Kefir's nutrient richness extends beyond calcium and vitamin K2. Among the many nutrients it possesses, a 175 ml serving of low-fat kefir offers a small dose of vitamin D, around 4 grams of protein, and a significant amount of riboflavin, B2, vitamin B12, magnesium, and phosphorus. This makes kefir a great source for various nutrients that you require daily. Moreover, the same serving gives you up to 6 grams of fat, around 8 grams of carbs, and a total of 100 calories. It's healthy, light, and full of nutrients that your body requires to maintain itself. Offers antibacterial properties. What sets kefir further apart from yogurt and other dairy products is the probiotic Lactobacillus kefiri. This particular probiotic is found exclusively in kefir and is an exceptionally strong and helpful antibacterial agent. Studies suggest that this agent can inhibit the growth and spread of various life-threatening digestive bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and H. pylori. All three can pose a significant danger to the digestive system if allowed to develop unchecked. With kefir, you can ensure that their growth never reaches a level where it poses a threat to you. Improves digestion. You might have reached this conclusion already, but it's still important to mention when discussing the immense benefits of kefir for you. By promoting the growth of good bacteria in your digestive system and inhibiting harmful agents inside your gut, kefir helps you improve digestion. It is considered to be a great food item to have when treating several types of diarrhea, while also helping with other digestive problems, such as an H. pylori infection or irritable bowel syndrome. Kefir is a go-to trick for better digestion. Can protect the body from cancer. Here come those probiotics once again. This time, they aren't just helping you digest food easier and better, they can also fight cancer. Probiotics have a positive effect on the immune system and immune response of the body. It gives it a boost, allowing the immune system to ramp up its fight against cancer cells. Several studies have shown a decrease in tumor growth directly related to kefir intake. Moreover, a study declared kefir as a champion fighter against breast cancer cells, causing a reduction of 56% compared to the much lower 14% offered by yogurt. Might help with allergies. People with oversensitive immune systems are prone to dealing with all kinds of allergies. The anti-inflammatory properties of kefir may help alleviate a lot of the burden that comes from dealing with allergies. In fact, several animal studies have shown a positive effect on allergies and asthma. Studies with human cases are still being conducted, but the results are mostly positive, and the anti-inflammatory agents are expected to have the same effect in humans as well. Helps deal with diabetes. Various studies have been conducted to determine the effect kefir has on diabetes. The results of one particular study show that kefir made from milk can reduce blood glucose and hemoglobin A1C levels. Therefore, kefir can be helpful for type 2 diabetes patients, helping them keep their blood glucose levels reduced and under control. The effect of kefir made from soy milk or other alternatives is currently being tested as well. Controls tooth decay. Kefir's health benefits extend to your mouth as well. Studies show that it blocks the effect of bacteria Streptococcus mutans, which is responsible for weakening your teeth and making them decay. Kefir helps you deal with tooth decay quite similarly to what a rinse with fluoride toothpaste would give you. We hope you'll consider buying kefir the next time you're in a supermarket, and remind you to consult your nutritionist or doctor on the quantities best suited to you. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on 10 health benefits of kefir you need to know, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience with kefir in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to take a look around our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. And as always, thanks for watching.